When it comes to creating a successful video game, there are many factors that come into play. From intricate level design to engaging storylines, every aspect of a video game is carefully crafted to captivate players. But one element that often goes overlooked is the art of character design. Character design is much more than creating a visually appealing figure for the player to control. It's about breathing life into a visual being, giving them personality, backstory, and depth. A well-designed character can make or break a game, as they are the player's avatar in the visual world. Characters are the heart and soul of any game. They are what drive the narrative forward, and they are what the players connect with on a personal level. Without well-developed and memorable characters, a game feels hollow and uninspired. Like Mario, Lara Croft, and Master Chief have become iconic not just because of their abilities and appearance, but because of their unique personalities. Mario is known for his upbeat and adventurous nature. Lara Croft is claimed to be portrayed as an archaeologist, yet she basically destroys everything on her journey, making her a fearless protagonist. Meanwhile, Master Chief is seen as a stoic and formidable soldier. These characters resonate with the player because they feel real and relatable, despite their fantastical setting. They have strengths and weaknesses, hopes and dreams, making them multi-dimensional, compelling to watch or control on screen. Players can see themselves in these characters, whether it's Mario's determination to succeed, Lara Croft's intelligence and independence, or Master Chief's loyalty and dedication to his mission. The success of these characters lies in their ability to connect with the player on an emotional level, depending on the circumstances they find themselves in. Players feel their triumphs and losses actually. Furthermore, these characters have become cultural icons transcending the world of gaming to become recognizable figures. In popular culture, Mario's red hat and mustache, Lara Croft's dual pistols and iconic ponytail, and Master Chief's green armor and helmet are immediately associated with these characters, even those who don't play video games. When designing a character, it's important to consider their role in the game, their abilities, their appearance, every detail, from their facial expressions to their clothing choices, should reflect who they are as a character and how they fit into the gaming world. Characters not only enhance the visual experience of a game, but also play a crucial role in the gameplay. Their abilities, strengths, and weaknesses. Having diverse characters in a game enriches the player's experience by adding layers of complexity and intrigues the gameplay. These characters play a crucial role in shaping the virtual world and creating a more immersive and engaging gaming experience for players.